Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the topic of agro-based industries. This topic is from chapter Manufacturing Industries from the Geography book of 10th class. I am Ayush Agarwal, a 12th class student from the Session School who will be explaining this topic today. So the first topic which we are going to understand today is what is agro-based industries. Industries which basically use agricultural raw material are called agro-based industries. Industries such as cotton, silk, sugar, edible oil, textile, woolen and jute include comes into the category of agro-based industries. The second topic which we are going to learn today is the textile industries. Textile industries are basically Textile industry is basically designing, production and distribution of clothing made from different kinds of material. This industry is very important for Indian economy as it significantly generates huge employment and actually it generates the second largest amount of employment in the country after agriculture, and it also brings important foreign exchange to the country. And this industry is the only self-reliant industry in the country which completes its value chain completely. The third topic which we are going to learn today is cotton textiles. Making of cotton textiles in India is an ancient activity done by traditional methods from generations to generations. But when British came to India, they changed the old ways, the traditional ways, and modernized the production of cotton textiles. Today, there are more than 1946 textile millers in the country, in which 80% of them are privately owned and rest are the part of public or cooperative sector. Cotton industry is concentrated in cotton growing belt of Maharashtra, Gujarat because of the availability of raw cotton, market, transportation, easily available labor and favorable and moisture climate. This industry gives employment to people indulged in cotton farming and processing of cotton, which includes spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, etc. Spinning in India is centralized to Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu, but weaving is highly decentralized in various parts of the nation with traditional techniques. When it comes to spinning, India has world-class level of spinning, but when it comes to weaving, the quality in India lacks, and it could not be matched with the quality of spinning. Now we'll continue with the topic of cotton textiles itself. India exports high quality yarn to many countries like Japan, US, United Kingdom, Russia, etc. India also have the second most number of spinners in the world after China. India also accounts around one fourth of the total yarn trade in the international market, but only about 4% of the garment trade. This is because weaving and knitting in India cannot use high quality of yarn which is being produced in India itself. There are many industries, but all of them are fragmented into smaller units, and the quality of weaving and knitting is not up to the mark. So as a result of that, we have to export yarn and import fabric. We have to export yarn and import the fabric. Cotton industry in India have many more problems like irregular power supply, old machinery, unreliable machinery, low labor output, competition with synthetic fiber, and that industry. The second last topic for today is jute textiles. India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods and stand at the second place when it comes to exporting jute after Bangladesh. Most of the jute mills in the country are located in West Bengal near the Hooghly River. There are many factors which are responsible for setting up the jute industry near the Hooghly River. Like, it is very near to the jute producing areas, inexpensive water supply and waterways. near a goods network of railways and cheap labor available from West Bengal and its neighboring states. And it is near to Kolkata, which is an urban center and provides various different kinds of opportunities. The industry supports and employs more than 3.7 lakh laborers directly and more than 4 lakh indirectly, which are basically engaged in producing jute and jute agriculture. There are various different kind of challenges that has been faced by this industry. Is that there is stiff competition in international market by synthetic textiles, and stiff competition by various different kind of jute producers like Bangladesh, Brazil, and etc. However, in the recent years, the demand of jute has steadily increased and the product has also diversified. In 2005, the government of India really launched a policy named as National Jute Policy, which formulated with the objective of increasing productivity, ensure good and stable incomes for jute farmers, and promoting the use of jute. The last topic which we are going to learn today is about sugar industries. India is the second largest producer of sugar and the largest producer of gur and khandasari. There are about 662 sugar mills in India, which are spread over Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Most of which are located in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh itself. In recent years, there is a tendency of mills to shift and concentrate from the southern states of the India to the western states of India like Maharashtra, which is very good, as in because this cane which is being provided in the western part of the country has a higher sucrose content and cooler climate, and cause of that they have longer crushing seasons and there are also better working cooperatives over there. The major challenges for the industry is old and insufficient methods of production and the seasonal nature of industry and the usage of extra baggage and the delay in product transportation. Thank you guys for being such a patient student and listening to the whole explanation. I hope you like this. Hope you see you next time.